perhaps that will inspire you because we've got a best friend that's up for adoption right now. Yoshi is with Trixie today.
Oh,
Yes.
look at little Trixie.
She's kind of scruffy.
She is a little scruffy. Trixie is a 10-year-old Karen Terrier. She weighs 10 pounds, 10 years old, 10 pounds. She's probably full grown at 10 years old. They typically will get anywhere from about 13 to 14 pounds. Could probably use a little bit of food to gain a little weight.
Yeah.
They'll live typically about 14 to 15 years, so she's still got some life in her. And so we're definitely trying to find her a nice family. She's a cute dog, very playful, still full of energy at this age.
Yeah, what do we know about her? I mean, is she house trained? And
Great question. So she apparently, according to, she was an owner surrender due to health problems with the owner. And what she shared with us is when it's not snowing, she'll go outside.
When it is, she's not doing anything. Huh?
So in other words, 3/4 of the year. She's okay.
Yeah, well, that's like a lot of people, I think.
Right.
Yeah. How does she do with other animals?
She does great. She actually lived with other animals for a part of her life. And she also does well with children as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So she's the full deal.
She is the full deal, and she is
really
a name your own price.
Okay. So whatever you want to donate to the Humane Society,
Exactly.
you can take Trixie home.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Thanks, Yoshi.
Thank you.
Here's the information for Humane Society of Utah. If you want to go see Trixie or the other animals, their address is right there on the screen. They're in Murray.
Matt.